Imagine waking up, staying in your pajamas, opening your laptop, and by the end of the day, you've earned Rs 1000 or more. No boss, no traffic, no 9 to 5 sounds unreal? Not at all. This is the reality for thousands of people across India who are earning money from home through one powerful yet simple skill. Freelance content writing. You don't need a degree. You don't need a fancy setup. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn and write. Why content writing? Because every business today, big or small, needs content. Blog posts, Instagram captions, emails, product descriptions, website copy, you name it. And someone has to write it. That someone could be you. The best part? You don't have to be a professional writer or a native English speaker. If you can write clear, basic English or Hindi with correct grammar and structure, you're already good to go. You can learn the rest. Writing formats, client expectations, and best practices through free content on YouTube, blogs, or even free courses. So, how do you start? Step 1. Pick a niche. Don't try to write about everything. Choose something you enjoy. Travel, fitness, technology, finance, beauty, or education. When you focus on one area, it's easier to improve and attract specific clients. Step 2. Create writing samples. Just 3 to 4 simple articles. Around 600-800 words each are enough to start. Use free tools like Grammarly to fix grammar and Quillbot or Hemingway Editor to simplify your language. Step 3. Start finding paid work. Create a free profile on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, Reference, India specific, or Work and Hire. In the beginning, offer competitive rates. Ours is 300 baht or Rs 500 per article. As you get reviews and improve your skills, you can increase rates to Rs 800, Rs 1000, or even Rs 2000 per piece. Don't want to wait for clients on freelance sites? You can directly reach out to brands, startups, bloggers, or digital agencies via LinkedIn or Instagram. Write a simple message, include a sample link, and offer to help them with content. You might be surprised how many respond. Your writing journey becomes easier with the right tools. Grammarly for grammar, Hemingway for readability, ChatGPT for generating ideas or improving drafts, Canva for creating visuals if needed, Google Docs for sharing and formatting. Most of these are free or have free versions. Want to stand out? Read high-quality blogs in your niche. Observe how they structure content, use headlines, and format paragraphs. Over time, your own writing will improve. Also, write every day, even if it's just a small piece. Writing is like a muscle. The more you practice, the stronger it gets. Once you've done a few projects, create a basic portfolio. Clients love to see examples of what you've done before. Here's a quick tip. Join writing communities on Facebook, Reddit, and LinkedIn. These places have job leads, tips, and people who share their earnings and growth strategies. It helps you stay motivated and informed. Now let's talk about the most common fear. Won't AI like ChatGPT replace writers? The answer is no. AI can support you, but it can't replace human emotion, creativity, and personal experiences. In fact, smart writers are using tools like ChatGPT to speed up their research, outlines, or content ideas, and still charge full price. And yes, challenges will come. Some clients may reject your work. Others may delay payments. But don't let that stop you. Every top freelancer you see today started from scratch, faced rejections, and kept going. In India today, the content writing industry is booming. Every YouTuber, digital brand, ad tech company, and e-commerce store needs writers. Whether it's a blog, product review, or social post, there is endless demand. Some writers now earn Rs 1-2 lakhs a month with consistent clients, retainer projects, and agency contracts. They started just like you. with zero experience, one laptop, and the desire to earn from home. And it's not just about money. You choose your hours. You work from anywhere, your bedroom, a cafe, or a hill station. You decide your growth. Content writing isn't just a job, it's a career. While others scroll, he builds a business, a tool for freedom. Your Rs1000 day goal is not a dream. It's a realistic, proven path that thousands are walking already. The only question is, will you take the first step today?